Hi there folks, Colin here again from Robert Smail's printing works on the Scottish borders, cared for by the National Trust for Scotland. On the 25th of January, we commemorate the enduring legacy of Scotland's national poet, Robert Burns. And around this time of year, people from all over the world come together to enjoy a Burns supper and celebrate good fellowship and the works of Scotland's favourite son. Robert Burns was born in 1759 in a small cottage in Alloway, now part of the Robert Burns Birthplace Museum, also cared for by the National Trust for Scotland. Despite starting life as a farmer, Burns rose to become one of the most celebrated poets in history. His work captured the spirit of Scotland, its landscape, its people, and its struggles. Through poems like To a Mouse and A Red, Red Rose, he gave voice to the beauty and hardships of ordinary life, leaving a legacy that continues to resonate today. Burns was also a revolutionary thinker, championing social justice and equality. And of course his work, Auld Lang Syne, has become a universal anthem for friendship and nostalgia, sung every New Year's Eve around the world. Burns Night began over 200 years ago in 1801, just 5 years after he passed away. Friends of Burns gathered at his birthplace to honour his life and works with a feast, poetry readings and song. It was such a success that it became an annual tradition, and it is still celebrated globally today. The centrepiece of the evening is the address to a haggis, one of Burns' most famous poems. Recited before the haggis is ceremonially cut and enjoyed with neeps and tatties, and a good whisky of course. So roll this under, give it a press and see what we end up with. So there we go folks, another perfect print, and I'll see you next time.